Want to design a beautiful custom homepage for your WordPress site, all without writing a single line of code? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stunning homepage in WordPress using Elementor, step by step, perfect for 2025. Let's dive right in. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Pages and click Add New. Give your page a title home so it's easy to identify later. Next, on the right-hand side under Page Attributes, find the Template option and select Elementor Canvas. This layout gives you a completely blank canvas to design freely. Once you've done that, click Publish to make it official. Now, click Edit with Elementor to open up the Visual Builder. At the bottom of the Elementor interface, you'll see a folder icon. Click that to access the pre-made templates library. Make sure you're on the Pages tab, then head over to the Popular section to browse through available designs. Take your time scrolling through the templates and preview a few that match your brand style or business niche. When you find one you love, click Insert, and Elementor will automatically load that layout onto your new homepage. Once the template is in place, it's time to customize it. Replace all placeholder text with your own content. Swap in your images, update the headlines, and adjust buttons or links to point where you need. You can even delete sections you don't need or rearrange blocks to better fit your design vision. Play around with the layout until it perfectly represents your brand or project. When everything looks just right, click Update to save your changes. Now let's make this your official site homepage. Head back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Settings, and then click Reading. Under the section titled Your Homepage Displays, choose a static page. From the Homepage dropdown, select the page you just built and then click Save Changes. Finally, visit your website's front end and you'll see your brand new custom homepage live and ready for the world to see. And that's it. You've just built a professional, fully customized homepage in WordPress using Elementor, no coding required. It's fast, flexible, and the perfect way to make your site stand out in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below for more WordPress and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.